Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log into OKX Wallet. For that, make sure you get the application at the first. Now here you need to simply tap on sign up/login. Now if you don't have account, then you need to tap on sign up option and they will be guiding you further to create your OKX wallet. You can also continue using your Google, Apple or your Telegram. For this video, I will go for email. Now after entering your email, you can simply tap on next. After that, you need to enter your password. In case if you have forgotten your password, then you can tap on forgot your password option and they will be guiding you further to recover it. If not, then you can tap on login. Now this kind of box will pop up. You need to simply slide to complete the puzzle. Now a verification code will be sent. You need to simply enter it over here. And now you can see that you have been logged into your OKX wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.